Hi everyone. In this session, I'll talk about what are containers. So let's understand what problem containers are trying to solve. See, one of the common challenges faced by developers is how they can develop, package, and deploy applications in a way that can run consistently in any environment. Earlier, we used to hear, but the application works on my laptop, and during cloud or production deployment, it doesn't run. Maybe due to software stack dependency, specific versions of the software, OS dependency, and so on. And to eliminate this problem, we now have containers, which basically packages everything you need to run the application, including its dependencies. And Docker is one of the platforms which makes it easier for developing, shipping, and running containers. Docker is basically an open platform for developing, shipping, and running applications, which actually made containers the center stage of adoption starting 2013. And container platforms are now supported on any environment, be it Linux, Windows, or virtual machines. And hence, containers has now become the de facto standard for developing and deploying applications. Now, in a typical application, you would have multiple containers running, and each container might have its different scaling requirement. For instance, a forgot password service, let's say deployed in one container, may be least used as compared to a credit card transaction, which is deployed in other container, which might be used millions of times daily. Secondly, this loosely coupled containers would need to interact with each other in a unified way. So basically, you're looking at managing and scaling multiple containers, and that's where container orchestration comes in. For instance, Kubernetes is an open source and widely used container orchestration technology for managing and scaling containers. And what makes Kubernetes unique is Kubernetes is supported by all cloud providers, and each cloud provider provides compatible enterprise grade distribution of Kubernetes. And I'll talk about Kubernetes in more detail as part of the Google Kubernetes engine session. In my next video, I'll talk about the difference between virtualization and container technology.